Let's create a 3D model of the conference table in the PRO100 program. In this program, you can create any furniture you want easily and quickly. If you make furniture, I can create models and product drawings for you. The link is in the description. I've already opened the program and I'm moving to this corner of the room. Like this. Click New Element and then click on the floor. Click twice Dimensions, width 80, height 15, depth 100. Enter. Now click one more time on this element. Squares have to become circles. And click on this circle and just rotate it. We need 700 in height, 700. Okay, this is enough. Now we need a copy of this element, so press on your keyboard Ctrl D to make a copy and just put it here. Ctrl R on your keyboard, Y-axis, we have to rotate this 180, rotate like this and put it on the floor. Okay, and we need one more element, height 15, width 80, depth don't touch it, put your element here, and then we need wall W and just stretch it. And one more copy. Now to put this element here, hold down the Shift and click on this element. Now click Align Tops Y-axis. In PRO100, you can create absolutely any furniture, including kitchens, wardrobes, and loft furniture. The program also makes it easy to create design projects like this. In my course, I provide step-by-step training on how to design any furniture and entire rooms. From scratch, under my guidance, you will learn how to work in the PRO100 program. We will also learn how to create product drawings, cutting lists, specifications, and estimates, as well as beautiful and presentable image. More details about the course can be found via the link in the description. Now, hold down the Shift and select All. Ctrl G on your keyboard, or you can press here to group elements together. And we need 2 more copies of this element. So Ctrl D, Ctrl D. And to put this element in the middle, select these 3 elements and distance centers X-axis. Done. Now we can group all this together. Ctrl G and new element on the floor. Dimensions: height 38, width 100, depth 200. Enter and rotate it. Put it here. And we should put these elements in the middle. Select these elements, then hold down the Shift, select this element, align centers X-axis, and then align centers Z-axis. And now we should change the materials. So click twice, Material, Change. I chose this black material, okay. And one more time here. To make your model more beautiful, turn off the contours and turn on the photorealism. And we should create a room, walls, floor, It looks more realistic now. If you need help with installing the program, the link is in the description.